Hey guys, here we are at the Hollow Ranch again. Shooting the old Quackenbush 308. Shot the 170 grain and the 158 and the 55 grain. We're shooting water jugs. Made a wreck of these guys. I'll be putting it on, showing you guys on video later on. For all of us here at the Hollow Ranch, we'll come back at you later. Oh wow, okay, so it hit low right here. Get a little bit of fragment inside. Up there. Wow. And in there. A little bit of fragment inside. Oh, blew out here. Alright, 55 grain hollow point. Hey guys, public service announcement from Mr. Hollowpoint at mrhollowpoint.com. Always recycle. Mr. Hollowpoint always recycles. This way we have wonderful jugs to shoot at another point in time. That's a safety tip for you guys. Keep the earth beautiful so we have lots more things we can kill and eat. Hey guys, coming at you here from the Hollow Cave up north. Had some great fun with that 308. Those 55 grainers were zinging. I mean, it sounded like a big rifle going off. I got to be busting 1,200 feet a second. Those things were just screaming. Grouping real nice, inch and a half, and just devastated those water bottles. Devastated. Real happy with that. You guys should be happy with them too. And I'd love to see somebody open up a woodchuck with one. I bet they were going to be really fun round to play with. Alright, that's it for Mr. Hollowpoint right now. Sure you check out all the action www.mrhollowpoint.com. And make sure you subscribe when you're on the YouTube link. Hit the subscribe. That way you can always keep checking in and see what we're putting up there, keeping it fresh, keeping it fun. Thanks a lot.